This is part 4 of looking at a district benchmark, math, grade 5. We're looking at Anthony Castellanos' class, and this is where Anthony's going to spend quite a bit of time, and he gets a chance to look at each student and how they're performing on this particular exam. Student names are over here on the left. Their overall score is the next column, and then if you look along the header here, you can see each particular standard that the students were exposed to on this test. And again, the number of questions underneath here are very important as to whether or not this exam really did find out how they're doing on a particular standard. As you look at it, can you pick out a couple of students that are doing well and a couple of students that are struggling? One of them right near the top that I can look at is Alberto. He got 11 out of 30. And if we look along here, there are quite a few areas that he was just struggling with getting into the orange, which means that he was probably doing more guesswork than anything, because when you have 4 questions and you have 25%, that's just kind of luck of the draw that you get that many right. So to see orange as being maybe a little more successful than red, it may not be exactly accurate. And then we drop down here to Monica, and Monica, 24 out of 30, she's doing pretty well. Now this allows you to do a couple of things. It allows you to see individual students and what areas they need support in, but it also takes a look at what particular standard you're going to want to spend more time on and which students need to be a part of that reteaching. If it's a significant part of your class, you may want to spend time with the whole class. If it's a smaller part of the class, you may want to have some type of method to be able to do some reteach with those particular students. So again, this is an area that you as a teacher want to spend some time and get to know how your students are doing, and that way you have a little bit better roadmap as to where to go from here.